What's special about these hybrid construction sites is that our fitters now not only install the timber walls, but also the balconies. At the beginning, there was naturally some skepticism. How can it work, mounting a 4-ton balcony with just a few bolted connection points? But by now, it has become routine, and our guys do it as a matter of course. My name is Nils Jansen. I am the Managing Director of Weissenseer Project Development. Today, we are here at Village im Dritten in Vienna, where together with Swietelsky, we are building a timber hybrid structure for the Austrian real estate. On this site, we have been able to experience how fast and how well it works when concrete construction and timber construction grow together and develop solutions that make an assembly-based site succeed. And from our perspective, that is the key success factor for the future of serial construction. The balcony is always a decisive factor in this serial timber construction method because you can never slide a wall panel in underneath a balcony. Therefore, the balcony must either be supported on posts, suspended from above, or installed step by step in sequence with the timber construction. If the balcony is connected in the conventional way with a linear isokorb to the concrete slab and is already in place, it essentially acts as an obstruction, getting in the way of crane lifting a wall element into position beneath it. The decisive advantage of a bolt-type thermal brake connector like the Schöck IQ is that it can be installed without any temporary propping. You don't have to build scaffolding floor by floor to support the balcony. Instead, it can be dry-mounted and bolted directly at the slab edge. Being able to make the balcony connection with a dry bolt joint without having to grout anything means on the one hand no water in contact with timber, and on the other hand that you don't need to prop the balcony while waiting for grout to cure. You can simply install it without scaffolding. If the cast-in components in the slab are placed precisely, the balcony can be set in just a few minutes, step by step alongside the wall panels.